Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a tarot reading, just a message for the day or some guidance for the day. Before we do that, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to know more about Wicca, witchcraft, shadow work and tarot, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice, there's a free video that you can watch. The link is in the description field below this video, and it is called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. So I'm just going to start shuffling this card. This deck here is the Gilded Tarot. It is, whoops, flying around. It is by Josephine Ellishaw. I can never remember who it is, that's why I always have to look. And they're beautiful cards. I really love the colors. And because it's got like a black background, the colors just seem to really stand out against the background, so I found them incredibly attractive for that reason. Oh, the Queen of Pentacles. Oh, don't we like the Queen of Pentacles? So the Queen of Pentacles, as I said, a very beautiful deck, this one. I love the deck. It's got those beautiful greens and oranges and the purple colors and the burgundy, maroon, actually maroon colors. And the feeling that I'm getting from this card today is very, very much about being grounded in your own ability to be able to connect to the earth and to be able to work in harmony with her resources. Generally, the Queen of Pentacles is about nurturing, is about taking care of home and hearth. She's a very grounded person, very good with money, often a good businesswoman, but in a very grounded sense as opposed to that more fiery Queen of Wands sense. She tends to be there for us when it comes to healing and taking care of the really practical things. There is a peacock here in this card, which is a very beautiful bird. And I'm getting the words wealth coming out in this for me. It's what's resonating with me, and I think it's the peacock that's for some reason saying that to me. I don't know a lot about what peacocks mean in regards to their, like a crow will often be a messenger. I'm not sure what the peacock is. I'm seeing the peacock as symbolizing some kind of royalty, I think because of its beautiful plumes. And connecting this card with this queen, it's like being connected to this, our own majesty in a way. And if we could really connect into who we really are and what we really are and our magical selves, we can understand that the resources that we believe are so scarce that we can't obtain are actually there. It's just a matter of getting connected to earth, not just in the sense of environmentally connected to earth, but connected to earth in a spiritual sense of connecting to earth and understanding that as above, so below. So what we see if we go into a forest is a beautiful lush environment where there's plenty of food generally for the animals and plants. Everything is quite lush. It looks quite fertile and quite productive. If we tap in energetically to the, you could say the universe, to use a new age term, energetically to all that is the universe, God, goddess, we find that we are living in a lush forest energetically, and we forget that. We forget that we have the ability to be able to tune in and ground, not just into the physical stuff that we need to survive here in 3D, but also that we are magical beings who can tune into other aspects of abundance, and this is on an energetic level. And when we see the world in that energetic way of seeing the world, then we can start to bring in what we need as far as resources are concerned for our daily life, bring that into our daily life on that 3D level. And that's the message I'm getting today from the Queen of Pentacles from this particular deck. Let me know in the comments field how that resonates with you. Is that something that you can use today, or is this just something to ponder when you're meditating today? How are you using not just the physical resources that you have in your life, but also the astral resources that you have in your life, you know, your magical resources, the ability to tune in all of the time to the abundance energetically, not just when we're doing spell work, but tuning into it all of the time and living your life that way. If you want to start your witchcraft practice with me, if you want to learn Wicca with me, you certainly can do that. The Mystery Witch School 101 Academy is open all the time for new students and new members to join us at Mystery Witch School. It's a 12-month course. You get to do it at your own pace and in your own time, even though it's 12 months. You can't do it any sooner than 12 months, but you can certainly take longer. And the link to that is in the description field below this video. So if you're not sure where to start, what to do, you're confused, there's too much going on out there that's just too overwhelming, and you really want to get practicing instead of just reading about it, as well as to bring the craft into your life on a daily basis and bring that connection into your life, bring the meaning, bring the confidence into your life, bring the feeling of knowing who you are into your life, then take a look at that course. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.